Does your pet constantly scratch or rub its ears? It could be a red flag signaling an ear infection. The problem is more common during the summer months. The most likely causes are bacterial or yeast infections, termite infestations, and sometimes food allergies. If your pet is suffering from an ear infection, some of the prominent signs and symptoms include constantly scratching the ears, wiping or rubbing the ears on the floor, shaking the head, a foul odor or discharge from the ears, redness and swelling. Here are some special home remedies to treat ear infection in pets naturally. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can effectively treat your pet's ear infection. It contains compounds that can kill the ear mites which might be the cause behind their ear infection. Add 3 drops of tea tree essential oil to 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Thoroughly mix the 2 oils. Using a dropper, put a few drops of the oil blend in your pet's outer ears. Swab it gently all over the visible part of the ear. Apply once daily for 1 to 2 weeks to heal the infection. Number 2. Blue Power Treatment. Blue Power treatment is one of the most effective methods to get rid of ear infections in pets. Put 2 tablespoons of boric acid powder in a pitcher. Add about 1 cup of rubbing alcohol to the boric acid. Stir the solution to thoroughly blend the ingredients. Transfer the solution to a bottle. Add 8 drops of 1% gentian violet solution. Use a dropper to put a generous amount of the solution in your pet's ears. Fold down the ear flaps and hold them for 1 minute and massage gently. Then, allow your pet to shake off its head to remove excess liquid. Clean the visible part of the ears with cotton balls. Repeat the remedy twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar is a blessing for both humans and their pets. Pour half cup each of distilled water and apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle. Put the nozzle back on the bottle and shake it to mix the ingredients. Spray the solution in your pet's ears. Clean the visible area of the ears with a cotton ball. Use the solution to clean your pet's ears twice daily for 2 weeks to get rid of the infection. Number 4. White vinegar. White vinegar, containing acetic acid, can also be effective in treating ear infections in pets. Pour half cup of white vinegar into a spray bottle. Add half cup of distilled water to the vinegar. Put the nozzle back on the bottle and shake it to thoroughly mix the liquids. Spray the solution in your pet's ears. Massage the base of the ears for a few seconds, then allow your pet to shake off any excess liquid. Use a cotton ball to wipe off the ear flaps and visible areas inside of the ears. Apply it twice a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Number 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial and natural healing properties to heal itchy skin, improve digestion, and treat ear infections in pets. Melt the coconut oil into liquid form. Let it cool off a bit before administering it to your dog. Use an eyedropper to put a few drops of the oil in your pet's ears. Massage gently so that the oil coats the ear canal. Use it twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks to clear up the infection. Number 6. Thornet ear powder. If none of the above remedies work, you can try treating your pet's ears with a commercial thornet canker powder. Apply half teaspoon of thornet powder into your pet's ears. Close the ear flaps and gently massage the ears. Applied once daily for 1 week. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.